Today, we're bringing you a complete guide to mastering ChatGPT along with 10 hidden tips. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, these tips are incredibly useful. And they also work perfectly with other major large language models like Claude and Gemini. The video is quite long but packed with valuable insights. So if you don't have time to watch it all now, make sure to like and save it for later when you can dive in and learn. Let's get started. How to use ChatGPT. First, create a ChatGPT account by visiting chatgpt.com. Use your email or a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account to sign up for a free account. You may need to verify your phone number. Once logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface with a message box at the bottom. Simply type your question or request in the message box and press enter or click the send button. ChatGPT will then generate a response. You can also ask follow-up questions or refine your prompt to get more specific information. If you want to start a new chat, click the notepad icon in the upper left corner. Now let me show you 10 tips for using ChatGPT. Tip 1. Protect your privacy. By default, ChatGPT saves your conversation history to help it understand context and give better responses. But if you just want to chat without having any data saved, you can turn on the temporary chat mode. To do this, click the drop-down menu in the top left corner. This is a crucial feature for users concerned about privacy. To turn it off and go back to the normal interface, simply click the drop-down menu again. If you don't see this option, go to the settings by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner, find personalization, and turn off the memory toggle. This way, ChatGPT won't store your data. If you've already used ChatGPT, you can also clear your history by clicking the Clear ChatGPT's Memory button. If you want to delete specific conversations, use the Manage option and select the data you want to remove. Tip 2. How to write effective prompts. If you've watched ChatGPT demo videos, you might notice that your own results are different from what content creators get, or sometimes ChatGPT doesn't understand what you mean. This usually happens because the prompt isn't written correctly. The trick is to be as detailed and specific as possible in your question. For example, instead of saying, write an article about how YouTubers make money, try something like, I am a YouTube content creator. Please write a script on the topic of how YouTubers make money. The introduction should capture attention, the content should be easy to understand and focused, and the pros and cons of each method should be clearly explained. This will give you a much better response, sometimes even including camera cues and music suggestions. If that's too complex, you can use this formula for writing prompts: AI role plus final goal plus specific boundaries plus output requirements. Learn this formula and you can apply it to any large language model. Tip 3. Generate free images. With GPT-4o, you can now generate images for free. Previously, this feature was available only to premium users, but now everyone can use it. Just type create an image of specific request in your prompt, and after a short wait, ChatGPT will generate the image for you. Tip 4. Dark mode. If you use ChatGPT frequently for work, you may find the white interface tiring on the eyes. You can switch to dark mode by clicking on your profile icon, going to settings, and selecting theme. Change it to dark, and you'll have a black background interface, which is easier on the eyes. Tip 5. Voice chat. If you'd rather not read long articles, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the text, then click the play button at the bottom left corner of the window to have it read aloud to you with emotion.
I'd be happy to help summarize your lease agreement. Please upload a copy of the document or an image, and I'll review it for key points and important clauses.
If you don't like the default voice, you can change it in the settings under speech. There are 4 different voices to choose from, so just pick the one you like. Tip 6. Data visualization. If you work with data, such as accounting or data processing, ChatGPT can help simplify things. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to organize the character relationships in Black Myth Wukong into a table. After a short wait, it will generate a summary. If you want to download the data, you can say, please format the data as an Excel file so I can download it. ChatGPT will then generate a link for you to download the table. Tip 7. Summarizing long texts. Most large language models now support long text processing, so you don't need to worry about exceeding input limits. For example, as a YouTube content creator, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a high-performing video title and relevant tags by submitting your script or description. If your text is too long, you can also upload a file. ChatGPT supports common document formats, and its summarizing capabilities are quite impressive. Tip 8. Customizing ChatGPT. One of the most powerful hidden features of ChatGPT is its customization. Even if your prompt writing isn't perfect, you can still get great results by teaching ChatGPT about your preferences. Go to Personalization in the settings and ensure the memory function is turned on. Then click on Custom Instructions and fill in your preferences, like your profession, interests, and preferred response style. You can even tell ChatGPT how to address you. Once set up, ChatGPT will feel more tailored to you and can even handle private conversations. Just don't go overboard, as serious misuse could get your account banned. Tip 9. Archive function. If you have a great conversation you don't want to lose, you can archive it. Click the 3 dots next to the conversation title on the left sidebar. Then select Archive. This will hide the chat from the main view so you don't accidentally delete it. To find it later, go to your profile icon, click on Settings, and then Archive Chats. You can manage your archives there and even unarchive or delete them. Tip 10. Exploring GPTs. ChatGPT has added many new features, similar to how Google Play Store works on Android devices. Developers have created specialized GPTs for different tasks, which you can access in the Explore GPT section on the left sidebar. There you'll find options like top picks, writing, productivity, research and analysis, and more. Popular choices include DALL-E for image generation and Creative Writing Coach for writing assistance. These GPTs eliminate the need to craft complex prompts, and you can get standard responses with ease. If you discover a particularly useful GPT, feel free to share it in the comments. And that's it for today's video. We hope this guide helps you fully master ChatGPT and boosts your productivity. Stay tuned for more AI tips in the future, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.